Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll build a tiny C# program that reads a string and returns a new string containing every other character, starting from the first character, that is. Characters at, characters at positions 1, 3, and 5. This is useful for sampling or simple text transformations. We keep the code safe, so null empty handling, and efficient using StringBuilder. Let's jump into the problem and the implementation. Quick clarification on indexing. Humans usually count starting at 1, but C# uses zero-based indices. When I say odd position, I mean characters at indices 0, 2, and 4 in code. We'll show examples and handle edge cases like empty or very short strings, so the program will not crash. Clean, production-friendly implementation. We guard against null and return empty for empty input. Using StringBuilder avoids repeated immutable string allocations in the loop. The loop increments I by 2, so we grab the characters at indices 0, 2, and 4, and so on, which correspond to the first, third, and fifth characters in human terms. This function is small, testable, and efficient. Step by step, first protect against null or empty input. Then we allocate a string builder, so appending characters is cheap. The loops I plus or equal to 2 is the key. We skip every other character. Finally, we convert the string builder back to a string and then print it. This pattern is easy to unit test. Call every other from first with various strings. These examples, these examples illustrate how the function behaves across common cases, such as typical strings of various lengths, a single character string, and an empty string. Notice, spaces count as characters, so hello world gives that output, because spaces occupy indices we skip. While the task is small, the technique appears in many places, such as sampling text for previews, creating simple signatures or obfuscations, and as a teaching exercise for efficient string processing in C#. String builder usage here is important performance habit when building strings in loops. That wraps it up. A compact and robust approach to build a string of every other character, starting at the first. The pattern is simple but demonstrates defensive coding, indexing logic, and performance of a string construction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.